How to be positive? Are you feeling down in the dumps? Tired of the daily grind? Well, have no fear, because today we're going to show you how to turn that frown upside down and stay positive no matter what life throws at you. First things first, you need to find your happy place. Whether it's dancing around your office like a crazy person, or just taking a few deep breaths and closing your eyes, find something that makes you feel good and do it often. Next, surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who make you feel good, and avoid those who bring you down. And don't forget to surround yourself with positive quotes, affirmations, and even pictures of kittens. Trust me, it works wonders. And finally, practice gratitude. Every day, take a moment to reflect on the things in your life that you're thankful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of coffee or the fact that you woke up this morning. Trust me, focusing on the positive will change your entire outlook on life. So, go forth and stay positive, my friends. The world needs more happy people.